Hello, I'm Rahmatul Ardiansyah, student ID number 241121014. I'm making this video to answer the mid-semester exam question for my English class. The first question: What do you know about the article? In my opinion, the article explains how powerful a brand and branding can be. The article also explains that a brand is a kind of label, a tool for creating recognition. Branding products is all about recognition. For example, the article gives an example of a Nike advertisement. The ads for Nike shoes show no-nonsense athletes. A customer might buy Nike shoes because they consider themselves a no-nonsense athlete, and they want others to think that about themselves too. Furthermore, Jim Zimmer, the CEO of Harley Davidson, said in radio interview, "A brand is made when a person really feels a connection with that brand," and I agree with him. The second question is, find main idea of each paragraph. In the first paragraph, I think make your brand relevant each time and ensure that consumers receive the message. Second paragraph, a brand is essentially a label used to create recognition. Third, the power of the Rolls-Royce brand is enormous. Fourth, when Rolls-Royce becomes a successful brand that forms an enduring part of a culture, the company may face contradictory results. 5. In addition, 75 million Americans consider themselves part of the NASCAR brand subculture. Paragraph 6. NASCAR has a connection to such a large segment of the population. 7th paragraph. Another key is that, as seen is the example of Nike, the line between personal image and promotional image becomes unclear among some strong brands. 8. Finally, the bigger subculture in the United States owes a great deal to the branding success of the Harley Davidson motorcycle company. And I think it's enough. Goodbye and see you next time.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Said Akil and my student ID number is 251121032. In this video, I would like to answer to questions from the English culture, especially in reading text. Here I will answer the question from the reading text. Number 1. What do you early know about the article? I already know that the article discusses about a certain topic related to daily life or knowledge. As explains the main issue Kevin so some explanation and provides explanation to help reader understand the topics better. The article is informasi and gives the insight to the reader. Number 2, fills the main ideas of each paragraph of the article. Paragraph 1, the introduction of the topics. Paragraph 2, explanations of the main issue. Paragraph 3, experiment of supporting details. Paragraph 5, conclusion of final opinion. Erlix, that is all I can ensure and share. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Afna Anina. My student in number is 25 on 2 on 000 002. I want to answer the assignment given by the letter. 1. What do you already know about the article? This article tells about you the power of branding and how a brand can influence people to us, Felix and behavior. A brand is not just a logo, but it can become a symbol of status, identity, and even part of a culture. 2. Main ideas of Eastern paragraph. Paragraph 1. Branding is important to hang project image and consider it with bigger idea to consumer. Paragraph 2. The word brand comes from marking animal, which was used as a way to indicative of ownership. Paragraph 3. Roleager is an example of a strong brand with involved and clear identity. Paragraph 4. Global brand can have different meaning is different countries they can be a national treasure or a symbol of for example subscribe and from Argo and brand like NASCAR with its like community of fans. Paragraph 6. Nature become a medium itself and earns money through advertising and brand project. And the video from me, sorry if it's not clear. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, y'all. Hello, everyone. My name is Juni Muhammad Lutfi. I'm from study program Aqidah and Islamic Philosophy. In this video, I'm going to explain an article entitled "The Power of Branding." Okay, I make this video to complete my mid-exam task in the English class. Okay, in this video, I will tell you about two answer of two questions in the article. Okay, the first question is talk about what I already know about the article. Okay, before reading the text, I already know that branding plays very important role in business. A brand is not just a logo or a name, but also an image and identity. It can influence how people feel about the product, and can affect the decision to buy it. Strong branding can also create an emotional connection with customer. Yeah, that's the first answer of the first question. Okay, now I will tell you about the second question. Answer of the second question. I will tell you about the main ideas of each paragraph one by one. Okay, paragraph 1, the main idea is that a companies need a strong branding to compete. A product alone is not enough. It must be connected to bigger idea such as lifestyle, success, or image. Paragraph 2, this paragraph explains the origin word brand. It comes from marking an animal. And today it means creating recognition so people can distinguish one product from another. Paragraph 3, this paragraph give example Rolls-Royce. It shows how strong brand can create a powerful image of luxury, of expensive branding, even for people who never seen of used the product. Okay, paragraph 4. The main idea is that a successful brand can become part of culture. However, global brand may face challenge because they can be viewed differently in different countries. Paragraph 5. This paragraph explains that subculture can form around brands, such as NASCAR. A brand can represent community and shared identity. Paragraph 6. Here, the article shows that the brand can also become a source of income through advertising and promotion. Paragraph 7. This paragraph explains that people sometimes use brand to express themselves. They choose certain products to show their personality, show their identity. The paragraph 7 is similar with module given by the teacher in Unit 4. The title is What Your Clothes Say About You. Yeah, it's similar with this reading text. Yeah, it's like that. Example of paragraph 7 is like Acre, the North Face, the brand that iconic with adventure, with hiking. Different example like Nike, iconic with sport. Apple, iconic with modern and minimalist lifestyle. Yeah, they tell about product is not just about name, it's just about icon. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and finally in the final paragraph 8, the article discuss Harley Davidson. It shows how strong branding can create a deep emotional connection where customers feel personally attached to the brand. Yeah, as we know, Harley Davidson is not just about motorcycle companies. It's about lifestyle, symbol of freedom, rebellion, a unique lifestyle. Many riders feel proud to be part of Harley Davidson community and they often build strong bonds with other users. This emotional connection makes customers more loyal and willing to stay with the brand for a long time. Okay, and that's all the video. So yeah, to sum up, branding is not just about selling product, it's just about creating meaning, identity, and emotional connection. Thank you for listening. I would like to apologize if my pronunciation was not very clear and sound like a bit stiff and complicated. Yeah, I think that was annoying, but yeah. And also for the poor audio quality, yeah, I take this video with the phone with not additional mic. Yeah, this is the audio quality. I don't know it's good or bad. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for listening, especially to someone who edit this video, someone who coordinate the class, and especially to the teacher, Miss Anna, who was this